Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a Coachella makeup look because guess what, my friends? Coachella is coming up and some of us will be there and some of us will not be there, but that's okay. We'll be there in spirit. So if you would like to see the outcome of this tutorial, make sure to stay tuned and let's get started. So as you can see, I already have my base, meaning my foundation, primer, concealer. I bronzed a little bit, my eyebrows are on. I primed my eyelids with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. What's new? I love this stuff. I use it all the time. I use it under my eyes too. So first things first. Okay, so I'm gonna play with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So let's see, I'm gonna go in with the color Burnt Orange. Yeah, we're gonna do this one right there, that bad boy. See it? See it? That one? Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm just taking this on my brush. Oh, and I'm going to do one eye on camera and then the other eye off camera just because I don't want to like bore you guys or anything. And then, you know, at the end we'll get into it and you'll see the finished look. And then I'm going to use some glitter because after all, it wouldn't be Coachella without glitter. Right, guys? Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to put this all over my crease, and I'm just going in with a little more. Alright, next I'm going to use the color Rustic from the same palette. See, this one right here. Rustic. I use this brush right here and I'm gonna pick up the color and then I'm gonna like kind of pack it and add it like that. And then we'll blend it out with the bigger brush later. Alright guys, and then I just took this brush and started blending everything together. So then I'm going to take some concealer, guys, and I'm going to take it with this little brush, and I'm kind of gonna cut the crease, but not really cut it, just so that we can add some color on top and it can like really like show through. Are I'm gonna take this color right here, that one right there, from this little guy. This is not perfect, but I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna take that color. I know it looks a little crazy. I kind of messed this up a little bit because I went up too high, but that's okay. So all I did was I went back in with burnt orange and rustic. I added a little bit of those colors and I went right here in my crease and just to kind of calm that color, like bring it down a little bit because it was like way up here. Okay guys, so the first eye is done. So I'm gonna do the second eye off camera, add some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Now we're gonna do the lower lash line, and I'm gonna add this blue liner from Makeup Forever in the color Blue Anyway. Ooh, I like that. Add this to my waterline and also to the lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna go in with this blue color from the Alamar Cosmetics. I think this is their first palette, and I got this in one of my boxy charms, and I was like so freaking happy when I got it. I was like, hell yeah, because this is a really good palette. Like the quality of the shadows, both the glitter and the matte colors, they just blend really well. So, and the colors are so pretty too. I mean, look at that. So I'm gonna use this blue color here called Varadero. And I'm just going to pick it up with their little brush, this thin brush, and so I used this color from MAC for my blush, and it's called Full of Joy, and I like it because it's like purple, but it has like a little iridescent like glow to it. So I'm gonna just take my brush, and you know, we want to be like glowing and like popping for the festival. Next, I'm gonna go in with my favorite highlighter from GIRLACTIK, and this is the Duo, and this is the Duo in Skin Glow Moonlight. That's what it's called. So I just like to take my my Real Technique sponge, and I kind of like to tap into both colors and just add it like so. Like so. And with that blush, like, it just gives you like a really nice glow. So for the lips, I'm gonna be using this Colourpop lip liner in BFF2, and then I'm gonna add this liquid lipstick on top of that, and then I'm gonna add some gloss on top of that. And this is really pretty because it's like, it has like iridescent like sparkles, and it's really cute. is my favorite part, the part that I've been freaking waiting for. Okay, so we're gonna go in with glitter, and we are just gonna go in there. Look at that. Wow. That is so freaking pretty. Oh my god. Oh. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.